Hi, hello all. Today I'm going to be discussing with new fascinating topic. Before going to the topic, if you are not subscribed our channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See, we seek help when breaking a bone. Why don't we do the same when our heart is broken? We take sick leave to our physical health. Why it's not taking time off for our mental health? Mental health is killing silent pandemic. In our life, parent taught us relationship is most important thing in the world. But at the same time, they are forgetting to teach us how to handle when the relationship will break. Yes, of course. Very first, we learn the life from our parent, isn't it? Suppose if there absence of one person, we don't know how to handle without them. The big truth is that we all are pushing to it. Once we grow up, we are more close to the people and their loss in our life in any circumstances make us to feel life unpleasant. So that when we lost our lovable person, that situation creates us to go in different way to lead our life. Is that our lovable person, whoever may be the dad, mom, friend or lover, for being with us, we can achieve anything in the world because of that positive vibration towards us in all day. But when we lost them, our energy will be even lost too. We feel like without our support we can't do anything thereafter. So, grief is part of our life that all of us will experience. When you are in traumatic situation, it's important time in your life because if you want to do changes in your life or shape up your life, you can do whatever you want. But important thing is that changes may be the positive or a negative. It's your hand only. Now you can decide what you want to do. So grief is universal. At some point in everyone's life, there will be at last one encounter with grief. It may be from the death of loved one and loss of job and end of relationship, or maybe other changes that alters the life as you know it. See, grief is also very personal. It's not very near or linear. It does not feeling of any timeline or schedule. You may cry, you become angry or withdraw or feeling of empty. None of these feelings are universal. Here everyone feeling differently. So I want to tell you some of the point or order of stages of feeling experiencing during the grief you may relate in your life. Let me see one by one. First one is denial. In this stage, you can't accept the reality. As we process the reality of our loss, we also try to survive the emotional pain. It can be harder to believe we have lost an important person in our life. Especially, you may have just spoken with the person the previous week or even the previous day. In this situation, you may feel like bunch of emotions and will comes and go. So you can't accept the reality. If you are diagnosed with terminally ill, that time you feel it's not happening to me. It may be the report is wrong. You may be ask yourself, why it's happening to me? Why it's happening like? You will always ask yourself. Here I will give some example. If you are divorced or break up with someone, that time you may feel like I hate him. If your death of loved one, that time you may feel like if she cared for herself more, it would not have to happen. If you are diagnosed with terminally ill, that time you will ask, where is the God? Next one is anger. Anger is a masking effect. Anger is hiding many of the emotion and pain that you carry. This anger may be redirecting the other people. Next one is bargaining. You people all will go through this phase. Bargaining can come in variety of promises like, I will never get angry again. If you can stop his or her, live with me. In this stage, you may be very active. You may ask God, if you can't heal his person, I will turn my life around. I promise to be better if you will let this person live. In this stage, you may feel like quiet depression. You may ask yourself what I am without her. Last one is acceptance. You may feel very different in this stage. You have a major changes in your life. If you break up with someone, ultimately you think like it was the healthy choice for me. If you are losing your job, it will be able to find the way to forward for more. If you lost someone, you may feel like I am so fortunate to have so many wonderful years with him and he will always be in my memories. Grief is not a simple process. It's a deep suffering into healing of positive change. This video is dedicated to you who all are suffering through this process. I hope you all are get well soon.